about the Holo Watch. How does it work?
When imagine a watch that can project a holographic projector like this. Other than that, you can purchase and check e-tickets. You can access your bank through it and also access real-time data in a flick of your wrist, on your wrist. It is very futuristic and it is very innovative. With this, we can improve the relationship between the technology and human.
That sounds incredible. How soon will we get the product in the market?
Okay, we are ready to begin the development right away. We have a strong and independent team in our place. We will move quickly.
This could be biggest thing in our company. Let's make it happen.
The lag is still there. It's unacceptable. Every delay, every tick is delay.
We can't afford to lose, Joe. Get it fixed. Everybody focus. We need the result fast.
They were already gone bleach free. We are losing customer.
We'll offer a discount on the referral program, but before that, we have to fix Cheong's problem first.
We need to move fast. Our competition is ahead.
So let me help you guys.
Samita, are we ready or not?
The lag is fixed. I tested it. It's working perfectly now.
Great work, Chang. Samita, are we ready or marketing?
Promo referral program free. Let's relaunch.
Let's do it. We are back in the game. Tonight is about trust, Aiman. You sold our proprietary software to our competitors. Since then, you are fired. We won't tolerate betrayal.
The sales are dropping. I'm so disappointed. Where is the innovation?
These products are fixed. We launch with our strong marketing team. It's just a matter of time.
Samita, I need the result now.
Understood? We will turn this around.
No lag anymore because this product newly launched, and also I can easily access e-ticket and e-banking system. Thank you.
I was written mine, but now I'm using it every day, such as using e-banking system. It's a game changer now.
We did it.
To resilience, we turn it around.
To teamwork and future, let's keep going.